Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. In this video we will learn about Cisco 2911. Cisco 2911 router. All Cisco 29 series integrated services routers offer embedded hardware encryption, acceleration, voice and video capable digital signal processor DSP slots, optional firewall intrusion prevention, call processing, voicemail and application service. In addition, the platform supports the industry's widest range of wired and wireless connectivity options such as T1, E1, T3, E3, XDSL, copper and fiber GE. So Cisco 2911 country origin is USA. Its model complete name is Cisco 2911 SCCK9. So it has 3 ports for WAN and EHWIC slots. So it has 4 EHWIC slots. There are 2 onboard ISC slots, 1 ISM slot, and RAM is 512 MB. Internal memory is 256 MB. USB console port is type B up to 115.2 database is supporting for one port. Serial console port is 1 and there is one port for serial auxiliary port. Cisco unaffiliated SRST sessions are 50. Cisco unified CCME sessions are 50. So we can use it in temperature 5,906 feet, 1800 meter, maximum altitude 32 to 104 Fahrenheit, 0 to 40 degrees centigrade, 32 altitude, 30,000 feet, relative humidity 5 to 85%. Its AC input voltages are 100 to 240 volt AC. Auto ranging AC input frequency 47 to 63 Hz. AC input current range AC power supply maximum 1.5 to 0.6 ampere. AC input surge current 50 ampere. Typical power no modules watts 40. Maximum power with AC power supply watts. So now we will discuss about its protocols: IPv4, IPv6, static